How are you? Welcome again in another video. So we are working on the calculate function. So this is new exercise. The exercise is about using the ALLEXCEPT function to remove the multiple filters in a DAX measure in the Power BI desktop. So you can go on the website, you can click on this exercise, you can come here, you can click here, you can download the file. So I have already downloaded the file. So this is how the file looks like. So let's see what we can solve here. So okay, we have a matrix called the count of shows. Same matrix is in our file. So now we will be solving the exercise. Let's do this. So the aim is to create a measure which calculate the count of shows as percentage of the year total. One quite long winded way to do this would involve removing the filters applied by month and quarter field of the date hierarchy, as well as associated sorting field. Here is what measure look like. Okay, let's try this. Or do we have this? So this is the count of shows. So we will be making one new measure which will be called count shows percentage of year. Count shows percentage of year. So we will be like doing the same measure. Let's see if we are getting the desired output or not. So we are dividing count shows, and in denominator we need to calculate the count of shows where okay, we are removing filters from every other like the month number and the quarter number. So we will be using remove filter, and the table name is show date month comma show date month number comma show date quarter comma show date quarter number. And we will be closing it. Let's check if we are getting accurate values or not. So we will be converting this into percentage. Okay, so it's now converted into percentage. So our main issue was like, not the issue, but our main situation was to convert wherever the year is, we need that year as 100% instead of the quarter and the month. So let's check for the result. For 2020 we have this 100% for quarter 4, 100%, 12%, 1.02%, 691% and 4%. Okay, so this is one method that we are getting accurate values. So we is saying that it's easy to forget about month number and quarter fields. Okay, so it's saying that there is an easier approach. An easier approach would be to remove filter context for the applied. Okay, so let's make one more copy of this. So I will be using this same measure name. So I will just copy this and I will add new measure, and I will remove everything and I will name it as test. Okay, so in this measure what we need to do, we need to use the same thing, divide count shows, and in denominator we will use calculate count shows, but in filter. Now in filter we will use ALLEXCEPT, and let's take ALLEXCEPT. Table name is I don't know what's the table name. I think show. Yeah, show is the table name, and then column name is equal to here. We have taken here from let me just check once. Show date. Yeah, all expect show comma date, show date here. So I will just close this and I will check if it will work or not. So now I will put this here. Yeah, so I will convert it into the percentage. So as you can see, the result are almost same. If you see here, we have used two methods. One is this method where the DAX looks much complex and much bigger, and there is this another function, another way by using ALLEXCEPT. So which one would you choose? Please tell me in the comments. The first one with the divide with all the month and the quarter numbers, or the second one using ALLEXCEPT. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Do let me know in comments which method would you use. Thank you.